In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendar View in Airtable. First, let's talk a little about why you might want to use this feature. Calendar View in Airtable provides a visual method to organize and manage your records based on date fields. This can be incredibly valuable for keeping track of schedules, deadlines, events, or project timelines, giving you a clearer picture of what's coming up and helping you manage your time more effectively. Now, let's dive into how you can switch to Calendar View. Begin by opening your Airtable base and selecting the table where you'd like to set up the Calendar View. Once you're in the table, look towards the top of the screen and find the View bar. This is where you'll select the specific layout you'd like to work within Airtable, and for this task, we're focusing on switching to the Calendar View. To do this, click on the grid icon at the far left of the View bar. This will open up a drop-down of different view options available in Airtable for that particular table. Among these options, you will find the Calendar View. Select Calendar from this drop-down menu. It's usually one of the icons that resembles a small calendar. Once you have clicked Calendar, Airtable will prompt you to choose a date field from your table. This step is crucial because the Calendar View needs to know which field to use to display the records on your calendar. If your table has multiple date fields, you might want to decide beforehand which one makes the most sense for your calendar view, whether it's a start date, due date, or any other relevant date field. Once you've chosen the appropriate date field, Airtable will automatically create a calendar view of your records. You'll now see your data represented as events on a calendar interface. This setup can help you quickly identify dates that have looming deadlines or periods that might have overlapping commitments. It's worth mentioning that you can customize your calendar view to suit your needs better. You can change the color and style of how records appear, use filters to focus on specific data, and even group records by specific fields for additional organization. These customization options can make your calendar not only a tool for visualizing data, but also a personalized workspace that enhances your productivity. As a final point, remember that the calendar view isn't just for viewing date-related information. It can also be interactive. You can click on any record within the calendar to open it up for more details or to make changes directly. This interaction keeps all your data dynamic and ensures that your team stays informed with the most up-to-date information. That's it for today's guide on using Calendar View in Airtable. By integrating this view into your workflow, you'll be able to manage your projects and deadlines with much more clarity and ease. Whether you're planning an event or tracking project milestones, Calendar View can be an essential tool in your productivity arsenal.